It's David here, and today we have a huge market update. The stock markets are sliding, Bitcoin is in the spotlight, and there's breaking economic news you need to know. Before we start, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out my new song Billonario. It's blowing up with over 330,000 views. Now let's dive in, ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, shoeies and shoeettes. I hope you had an amazing weekend. Hadouken to you. Hadouken! Okay, guys, let's get it. So the stock index futures tick lower ahead of big earnings, economic data in the week. The S&P 500 futures are down. Yes, negative 0.1%. Nasdaq futures are down negative 0.1%, and the Dow futures are down negative 0.1%. Let's go ahead and take a look at the stock market heat map, because that's what we do over here, guys. So last week we closed a little bit mixed. I see more red than I see more gray and red than green, but I do see tech getting a little bit of green, like Google, Meta, Nvidia. Health technology, some green, Lilly, AbbVie, and MRK. Tesla actually 9% up, pretty good. So not bad for closing the week. And let's go ahead and start with the news. IBM, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, announced plans to invest $150 billion in the US over the next few years. $30 billion will be dedicated specifically to research and development for mainframe and quantum computers. This shows Big Blue is betting heavily on future tech. That means AI, bro. So I just want to go ahead and take a look at IBM. It's been a while since I looked at it, so let's see how the chart is looking today. IBM NYSE $232.58. Let's look at that weekly, bro. That's what we do. Okay, I see a resistance over here, but not a bad resistance. Going back down to 216 from 260s, and it's still in an uptrend. Let me see. Let's confirm that. Yeah, we're still in an uptrend, guys. And if you zoom out, very good price here at $200 would have been a great price for entries. And you can see that we did have that bounce at 203. We didn't completely go to 200, but anything there should be good. But I would just keep an eye on it until we break a trend line. I think when companies just invest money, that makes it the price go lower for a little bit. But once we break, bro, we can continue. So want to watch out for that. Maybe the 50 EMA, maybe the trend line is gonna be our guide for re-entries. So watch out for that $200, because I feel like I said, guys, this could be a great price point to revisit, you know, to create a double bottom or something. Okay, just want to watch out for any head and shoulders to be created. Okay, but anyways, let's continue with Domino's. Who likes pizza over here, guys? I love pizza. I haven't been able to eat pizza because I've been sick. I've been sick for already a month. And I hope I start getting better, guys. I hope that you guys are doing good. Let me go ahead and check out the chat over here just to make sure that we're good. Dímelo, Fat Nuts. Good morning, my bro. BBAI. Yeah, I'll check it out. Let me just finish up with the articles that I got and we'll review it. Domino's Pizza reported a decline in U.S. comparable store sales. Papa John's also dropped after the report. Consumer behavior might be shifting. This could be a warning signal for the economy. What do you guys think? Will it be a warning sign? So let's look at Domino's Pizza. Domino's Pizza. There you go. Hey, what? What is the ticker here? DPZ. DPC, there you go. That's the one. Well, it's 479 per share. What? Wow. I haven't reviewed Domino's, so let's go ahead and take a quick dive, bro. So support and resistance, as you already know, guys, this is the best way to trade. Gotta give a shout out to Raja Banks. We got a buy signal here at 400s. We're at 479. Nah, these guys are crying for nothing, bro. What are they doing, bro? Let me zoom out. Yeah, we're in an eternal freaking option. What the heck is this? Look at this. So yeah, I guess if it drops, just capitalize on that drop opportunity. And I see break of a trend line here, break of a trend line here, so we have been doing well. I'm not gonna do a trend line now. Support and resistance will be for this one. So it seems like, yeah, just watch out for this for any drops, but it's looking good, bro. This is not bad. Any drop back to 406 should be a good drop opportunity. And now I'm looking at the support areas. Yeah. So look here, 406 will be a good price point. Watch out for resistance though. Maybe they're saying, oh, is it not gonna go higher? We'll see. We'll see if it breaks over here. If it breaks, then we're gonna be heading to 600s. So watch out for that, bro. Domino's Pizza, come on, man. But anyways, Kawabunga to everybody. Kawabunga, where is my Kawabunga, bro?
Boom shakalaka!
Here it is.
Kawabunga!
Okay, MicroStrategy. Let's review MicroStrategy. So MSTR, remove IBM, Domino's, MicroStrategy. By the way, guys, we don't have super stickers, we don't have super chats or memberships at the moment. Hopefully we'll get that sorted out very soon. MicroStrategy, guys, bought an additional $1.42 billion worth of Bitcoin last week. They now hold over 214,000 Bitcoin total. That's a massive long-term bet on Bitcoin. So they don't even care if Bitcoin drops. They won't sell, bro. They're gonna keep it. And last week, we did create a very bullish candle, bullish engulfing. We did go from 85K to 94,000. We actually went over to 95,000. And today we're starting at 95,250s. It does seem to me that Bitcoin is gonna go a little bit higher. So watch out for 100K, 104,000 resistance. Wanna watch out for that price point. Okay. And MSTR is currently at 374,000. I gotta give a shout out to Edwan Murati. He actually got in. Perfect re-entries for MicroStrategy was here. Whoa, that's a big finger. There. So you can see that we broke a trend line. Pam pam. Double bottom. Let's go. This is a beautiful setup. MicroStrategy created it. Now I will wait for any pullbacks. If the pullback happens, just buy, bro. And when it retests, potentially 330s will be a great opportunity. If it continues with the upside, we already got some targets from Canaccord, Bernstein, and Benchmark, as you can see above. Not bad for MicroStrategy. And talking about crypto, Coinbase to debut institutional Bitcoin yield fund. Designed for big investors who want Bitcoin exposure with some yield returns. So that's actually good. And let's see how that's doing for Coinbase Global's price point. Coinbase, as you can see, we were at a downward channel. We reach a support area over here at 150s, currently sitting at 208. I think that Coinbase can definitely push higher. Mizuho has a target of 293, but you can see Mizuho has a target at 501. That's about, let's see how crazy this can go, bro. That's about $291, 139% to the upside. Very interesting. And then, before I get to BBAI, Donald Trump proposes linking new tariffs to potential tax cuts for middle-income earners. If Trump could push a dual economic policy aimed at boosting manufacturing while trying to stimulate the middle class. Interesting. That's actually not bad at all. And let's go ahead and check out BBAI for our friend Fat Nuts. Big Bear at 386. There you go, my friend. Very, very good. To the upside from 353s to 859s. Doing very well, my friend. I think you got the best opportunity here. I had a value signal at 250, at 250s. We're doing good. We had a bullish engulfing last week, so I'm expecting if there's a pullback, that's fine, but it can definitely continue. I think that since we got the gap, it will close the gap, but there's great potential for more upside here, my friend. Very, very good trade there. Gotta give a shout out to Fat Nuts. He actually was the one that called this one out. Very good, bro. Very, very nice. And let me go ahead and do a video real quick. Okay, let me check out once again. I gotta keep this in here. MSTR. MicroStrategy actually doing good. Yeah, the pre-market is doing well, bro. Okay. Let's do this clip, okay? Let me get all of this ready, bro, because I'm gonna clip this since I don't have a lot of clips done recently. Man, I had a very good entry last week, bro, on some crypto, and I should have been a little bit more patient, bro. I entered this mug at 62 cents. I did make some good profit, but then all of the downside happened. I should have just been a little bit more patient. A little bit more patient. Even Popcat, bro, I entered this one at 38 cents. It's at 42 cents. Actually, I entered this one at 22 cents. But, you know, up and down. Goes up and down, my bro. MSTR. Go ahead once again here. Okay, here we go. Let's do this video real quick. Oh, we got 4 viewers. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to like the live stream. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Go listen to my song Billonario. 340,000 views. Thank you very much for the support. And now Lo Que Sea, bro, is getting to 100K. So our music is actually pumping the stock. Actually pumping the channel, bro. But anyways, let's get it, bro. Y dice así. In 3, 2, 1. Bitcoin is making big moves, and so are the companies behind it. This week, we got two massive stories. Number one, we got MicroStrategy just bought another 142 million worth of Bitcoin. And number two, Coinbase, ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, is launching a new institutional Bitcoin yield fund. Let's break it down, what's happening and why it matters. First up, MicroStrategy. They didn't just nibble at Bitcoin, they went all in. Last week, they acquired an additional $142 million worth of Bitcoin. This brings their total to an insane over 214,000 Bitcoins. That's more than most countries hold. Their strategy is simple, bro. Buy Bitcoin, hold it long term, trust that Bitcoin becomes the ultimate store of value. While the market panics over small dips, MicroStrategy is stacking Bitcoin like they know something the rest of the world doesn't. And I think they do, bro. And currently, MicroStrategy's price is at $374. And we actually created a great consolidation area after a trendline break, double bottom, and it's looking very, very nice. What are your thoughts, guys? Now, let's move to Coinbase. Very, very interesting article here, guys. They just announced they're debuting a brand new product, the Institutional Bitcoin Yield Fund. Here's the deal. It's designed for large investors, think hedge funds, banks, and big corporations. It offers them a way to earn yield or passive income on their Bitcoin holdings. It's fully compliant and custodial, giving institutions peace of mind. This move signals one thing loud and clear. Big money wants Bitcoin exposure, but they also want returns, and Coinbase is stepping in to provide that. So here's the bigger picture. MicroStrategy is buying. Coinbase is building. Institutions are quietly moving into Bitcoin behind the scenes. While the headlines talk about volatility, the smart money is positioning for the long term. And guys, Bitcoin current price is 95,328. So the question is, guys, are you ready? Are you paying attention? Subscribe now for more crypto news, Bitcoin updates, and market insights. Let's grow together. And hey, don't forget to check out my new song, Billonario. It's fire and it's blowing up right now on YouTube. Links down below. See you in the next video. We do the videos con mucho, mucho amor. Let me clip that, bro. By the world doesn't, and I think they do, bro. I think this move this week we making big. Coin is making big. So it's behind it. Coin is making big moves. Coin is making big moves, and so Bitcoin is one. Bitcoin is making big moves. Once Bitcoin exposed below, going up right now on YouTube. Links down below. See you in the next video. We do the videos con mucho, mucho amor. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, I got the video, bro. That's what I needed, man. I needed a video for today. That's the video for today. I think it's just worth it. I think MicroStrategy is just looking too good, bro. And I actually want to buy more, bro. It's at 347, bro. Let me do something, bro. MSTR, bro. I remember I was in MSTR a long time ago, and I left it go, bro. Let it go. Because they did a stock split and everything, bro. But with Bitcoin looking how it's looking, bro, got all of this left, bro. Ethereum needs to break out of this trend line, bro. We're so close. XRP is doing good, 231. It broke out of the channel. Now it's looking way better. So going back to the previous high. So I'm gonna actually do this. Looking better for that. Any pullback is gonna be good, guys. Any pullback is gonna be an opportunity. Man, this freaking PopCap, bro. I had at 22 cents, and it's definitely gonna go to 50. Oh my goodness, I would have done like 10K here, bro. So another retracement is gonna be a buy opportunity. Look at that, bro. So it was such a good trade, bro. And I'm actually in it again. So I think we covered everything, guys. I got in the upper 250s in MicroStrategies. See limited. Let's see what's up with there. I'm still in this, bro. I'm in this with you. Wow, 128, bro. Wow, you got in at 250s, bro. MicroStrategy, that's good. Yeah, I see earnings coming up. I see earnings coming up. And let me check out SCN. Yeah, earnings coming up over here on May 20th. Let me look at SCNS, bro. You know I'm in it to win it. I'm definitely gonna go to that $2, bro. That target is gonna happen, bro. Look at that weekly. That weekly was bullish. Any pullbacks is gonna be an opportunity here. Maybe even close that 70 cents little gap. Maybe even retest this trend line. This is gonna go. Man, I should trust a little bit more in my freaking trades, bro. My analysis are good. Let me check out Apple before I go, guys. Oh, let's see the market open. Things are good. I gotta be working this week, bro. It's gonna be tough for me at work, but it's gonna be a good experience, I guess. And Nokia 490, bro, going down. And Nokia doesn't want to break higher, huh? I want to see Nokia at 640s and even $8, bro. $8 is the target that I think it could be good. I think we're gonna get a little bit of a pullback this morning. Bro, you got a 250s? Bro, that's an insane price, bro. Okay, it's 8:30. No, in 1 minute. And let's see the market open. 1 more minute. Here we go, 8:30. See, I knew this was gonna drop, because as it always does, and there's a gap. Stock market heat map. Let's see. Before I go, everything in the gray, some red here and there. The crypto is actually getting a little bit red. To the pullback we get from MicroStrategy. It's too far away of the EMA, so I think the best buying option was gonna be here at 360s, 340s. But it is at a good price point though. Just went down. Look at the daily here. It's gotta go up. Bitcoin goes up, this goes up. You see the market, you see SCNS. Oh, RISI is up. Look at that, RISI 1023. SCNS 73 cents. Not a lot of movements, honestly. You see here, stock market heat map is like very much gray. A little bit of green. Oh, I wanted to check out the tech. Magnificent 7. Oh, and let me see Intel 2020. I think Intel is gonna be good, guys. Intel is gonna be good. AMD is gonna be good. Google 162. Actually, this is gonna be a good buy, guys. Keep an eye on this. It's gonna go up. Apple 209. Not yet. Meta pushing down a little bit. I still think that Meta could still drop to 390s. We'll see. Tesla 288. Bro, 288. There you go, sir. We enter at 220s, so we are at 288. Really doing good profits here. 27% up actually. Nvidia 109. Alibaba 119. NIO. Let's see what NIO is doing. 422. Ooh, NIO, bro. NIO reached this bottom support. So we are actually looking much better now. And if the China trade talks go well, and I know NIO should definitely be heading up, but yeah, it was a good price point. That 290s, $3 is a good price point. Now we gotta close above $5 so we can push to $9. Very good eye, my friend. Very good eye. Let me look at Nokia real quick. Yeah, Nokia down 493. CleanSpark, I'm actually exposed here in Bitcoin, so $9 with CleanSpark definitely can go up. If Bitcoin specifically goes up, I would wanna see this AC Wainwright's target $27. That's about 80. And then let me see another one. TeraWolf $3. Okay, guys, bro. I don't know if you're in this fun nuts, but keep an eye on TeraWolf because this is another Bitcoin miner. Can go to 936. We already had a bullish engulfing candle here, so I want to watch out for this. Okay, keep an eye on this. This could be a great move for crypto. Email CXC, man, bro. I was about to leave, bro. About to leave, my friend. Gotta go work. Let me see. You're always on time. Yes, sir. Oh, wow. We got 5 viewers right now, bro. Well, we can keep here for a little bit before I go. Look at Tesla, bro. We're doing good. Tesla doing good. Look at that. 292. Yeah, we're making profit right now. Doing good profit right now. Let's look at Disney real quick. Bro, Disney could be a good buy, bro. Disney's had a support, so this is a good buy. Disney has been getting... Bro, look at this. We are in a buy position. Oops. Where's my RSI? Yeah, we got oversold. Yeah, it's starting to turn. I'll watch out for that. Nvidia down. This is start of the week, guys. I don't expect that much today. Let me check out Euro USD. Yeah, I'm actually got some buy positions at 1.14. I mean, sell limits. Sell limits at 1.14. See what happens there. UEP USD. Oh, the dollar is going down, so that means the DXY is down. Yeah, DXY is down. Looking pretty bearish right now. We had a sell signal here. 4 hour DXY. But the markets are doing well. Gold 3,295, stalling here. Bitcoin down, guys, 94K, 766. Ethereum down, 1788. XRP 229. 229 is not bad. Went to 235, bro. Ooh, I see he's got a sell signal here. Ooh. What is this website? For guitar giveaway? We already did the guitar giveaway, bro. Justin won. I don't even know if he got the guitar, but I did give away something to him for the guitar. This website is called tradingview.com. Yeah, you won, bro. there's a head and shoulder here. No worries, there could be another one. Let's look at BBAI. I know that Fat Nuts is looking at this. Oh, Fat Nuts, see the retracement that we talked about? Always does that. Always does that shit, Nike. I was gonna say a bad word. We could do another one, bro. Let's see what happens. If I get monetized again, bro. You know, I got demonetized again, bro. Sadly. Sadly. Yeah, Bitcoin is at a freaking resistance, bro. Doesn't want to break. Good morning, not you, doobie doobie. How you doing, man? You have a good weekend? Oh, let me actually do what chart should I leave, by the way? Or should we leave the stock market heat map here? I just want to do a thumbnail real quick. Is there anything you want me to review, bro? Somewhere, Bro, OMI, bro. Do you know I actually entered? I finally got to enter BitForex on the backside, but you know I couldn't send any OMI because it required SMS or Google authentication. So I couldn't take it out, bro. Like I am already KYC and I'm not able to take it out. Such a sad day for King, bro. Every time I try, I just can't get it out. OMI is at its lowest, bro. The heck? And it has been doing like some upside. Bro, it's literally like they just released a new feature to buy NFTs with OMI. Oh man. See, I'm missing out, bro. If this breaks, bro, I hope it can go at least to this area. 32%. Yeah, bro, it's crazy. I've been trying, bro. I'm always trying to get my OMI back. I just didn't. I messed up, bro. Just a silly motherfucker, boy. Somewhere, na 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 na. Yeah, it's the lowest it's been, but it has a buy signal here, bro. It's very volatile right now. There was a moment where it actually did go up, but it didn't break as it needed. We got a buy signal. It started to go up on the daily. Yeah, that's a bad. I have a bad day with BitForex, bro. BitForex, I'm telling you, bro. Every time I try, gives me a headache. Like I couldn't do it. Like I need to do SEMS or Google Authenticator. See, I'm in again, bro. I'm in the back end. So I go to my spot account. No, it's actually I go to my wallet and I try to withdraw OMI, right? That's a step. Withdraw OMI. And I select the address from my Coinbase wallet, right? Is that correct? Man. Uy, Dios mío, I forgot my freaking password. Uh-oh. I forgot my password. So I'm in, but I don't know, bro. By the way, I got in this Popcat at 22 cents, bro. Could have been doing like $8,000 right now. But I got out. Fear, bro. The fear. Let me look at his MSTR real quick. MSTR, MicroStrategy. 369. This is gonna go up, bro. Let me release this video real quick. I think you're supposed to hit transfer. Yeah, that's what I did. I hit oh, instead of withdrawals, it's transfer. Like on the wallet, I click on transfer. From wallet to where? To spot account? No, bro. Transfer is like if I wanted to move it from wallet to spot account, you know? But if I want to take it out, it has to be withdraw. Yeah, check it out, bro. Help me out there, bro, because I'm trying, bro. I've been trying, bro, and I can't get it out, man. I can't get it out, man. Did you watch the Billonario music video, bro? The heck? $340 247,000 views, bro. That's crazy, bro. Apologies. Okay, I released the video, guys, about MicroStrategy. You didn't watch it? What? Bro, 347,000 views, bro. Let me give you the link, bro. Yeah, and lo que sea is almost at 100K, bro. Yeah, watch this music video, bro. It's going crazy, bro. Look.
I have to finish writing this paper.
It's getting advertisements. What the heck? I'm not even monetized, bro. Yeah, bro. Check it out, bro. This is a good video, bro. I spent a lot of money. I actually liquidated a lot of my crypto and stock portfolio so I could make this music video. And he already has 247,000 views, bro. It's actually good, bro. Leave a comment if you can. If you want. But if you can, you can. Yeah, MicroStrategy is gonna push down a little bit. Well, we got 7 viewers right now, guys. Thank you very much for your amazing support. Gracias por el apoyo. In English or Spanish, whatever you want. I'll do it. I'll make it work. Anything you guys want me to review before I go? Bro, everything the red in crypto. Stock market heat map, let's review. Not that bad. Not that bad. I see more green. I think we're gonna be good, guys. This week is gonna be good. If the start of the week is like this, I think we're gonna have a good week. Tesla, bro, Tesla is actually looking very, very nice. One last pullback from Tesla and we should be good, bro. Like one higher leg, buy that. Buy it. I mean, I'm not saying to buy it. I'm not a financial advisor. But I'm gonna try to buy it. Intel doing well, bro. Intel finally looking good to me. Intel looking good. SCNS 74. Let go. Bro, I actually bought some more, so I'm in it. I'm in it to win it. TeraWolf, I got some shares, bro, and I think I want to buy more. So maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow. A lot of people are waiting for their paychecks, so Wednesday, bro. Remember, this is not going to be the boom. I don't think the boom is going to happen today or this week. The boom may happen on the third quarter. It's 8:53, guys, and I gotta go. In 7 minutes, I gotta shut it down. But check out Billonario, bro. Save that to your playlist. And Lo Que Sea is actually getting a lot of traction as well, bro. Hey, thank you for the sub, bro. Wow. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. That actually came from Kick, bro. Kick is activated right now, but I don't think I got a lot of people following me on Kick. We actually got 2 viewers on Kick. Interesting. 20 followers on Kick. You can follow me on Kick, guys. Check it out. While we resolve the issue with YouTube. One more time, let's check out the stock market heat map before I go. And the crypto bubbles. Crypto bubbles in the red for a little bit. The day has been green, but the hourly is red. And stock market heat map, not bad, not bad. I think we're gonna have a little bit of a pullback, but it's fine. You're gonna see, guys. Wait patiently. Look, a Bitcoin already creating some rejections. Oh yes, sir. Bitcoin creating rejections. Yeah, it's BitForex, bro. Yeah, BitForex, and right now I'm clicking withdrawals, right? ERC20, and I add the withdrawal address, which should be a Coinbase wallet, right? It should be Coinbase wallet. And then I want to do a test amount. Yeah, I need to figure that out, bro. I don't know what's happening, man. I don't know what's that. What is happening? I'll figure it out, bro. Whatever it is. Hopefully one day. Hopefully one day. Let's see one last time. Oof, Bitcoin rejecting nasty, bro. MSTR. Not that much, not much. Okay, guys, let's leave it there. I think we should be good. Doobie doobie, let's connect. Let's see if we can get this resolved, bro. So, the end is here for this live stream, guys. And let's say it this way. That's it for today's market recap. Before you go, hit that subscribe button, drop a like if you enjoyed the stream, and don't forget to check out Billonario, my new music video that's taking off. Link is in the description. Thank you for supporting independent creators. See you in the next one. We do the videos con mucho, mucho amor. Let's go!